Julia, are you getting dressed?
Yeah.
Yeah? With some pajamas that you had as a baby? Okay, where are you going? Bye-bye. Go bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Can you wave bye? Bye-bye. Can you blow me a kiss? Thank you. Bye. Can you come back? Come here. Hi. It's nice to see you again. Hi. Can you wave hi to me? No, Ruby, no. Can you wave hi? Hi. Hi. Julia. Praise the Lord. Yeah, those are Abigail's panties. That's wonderful. Can you praise the Lord? Praise the Lord. That's right. Can you show me more? Can you show me bath? Show me bath. Julia, show me bath. What is bath? No, we're not going to go take a bath. Come back. Show me bath. That's right. Can you show me all gone? All gone. Where'd it go? That's right. Can you show me juice? Come back. Come back. Can you show me juice? That's right. Come here. Can I have a kiss? Julia. Come give Mama a kiss. Come give me a kiss. Come give me a kiss. Mwah. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye? Say bye. Bye. Mwah. That's sweet, baby.